Namaste. Welcome to Indian Mathematics. In this episode, we are going to see how to construct a square using Shulba Sutra method. Now, square construction is one of the easiest constructions a student finds in school mathematics, because a student needs to know only one thing to do this, that is how to draw a perpendicular line to a given line. If you know this, you can construct a square. In almost all the school mathematics textbooks, we find only one method to find or to construct a square. Now let us suppose that ABCD is the required square of side length A units. Now how do we construct this? First we will draw one line L and then we will plot a point A. Now keeping A as the center, we will draw one arc whose radius is A units, and that arc will be cutting this line at a point B. Now AB is one of the sides of the required square. Now at the point A, we are going to draw one small arc, and that arc is going to cut this line at 2 points. Now in each of these 2 points, we have to draw arcs of the same radius. Now the only condition for this arc is its radius should be more than half of the diameter of this arc. Those 2 arcs will be cutting each other at one point, and that point is connected to A and that is extended. So this is the perpendicular line to the given line L. Now the same process is repeated at the point B. Okay, even at the point B, keeping B as the center, we are going to draw one small arc that cuts the line at 2 points, and then in those 2 points again we draw 2 more arcs of equal radius. They will be cutting each other at one point, and then that point is connected to B and it is extended. Now this is again perpendicular to the given line L. So these 2 lines are perpendicular to the given line L. Now again keeping A as the center, we will draw one more arc whose radius is A units, okay, which is equal to AB, and that arc will be cutting this line at a point D. Similarly, keeping B as the center, we draw one more arc of same radius A units, and that arc will be cutting that line at a point C. Now if you join C and D, ABCD is the required square. Now this is the construction that is discussed in almost all the textbooks, maths textbooks, when they are talking about construction of a square. Now apart from this, we have another method, and this method is given in Shulba Sutra. It is almost 600 to 700 BC, written by Bodhayana Shulba Sutra. There are many Shulba Sutras, and one of our oldest Shulba Sutra that we have found is written by Bodhayana. Bodhayana Shulba Sutra gives another method for constructing the square, and this method is very innovative, very nice, and also simple. Now what we need to do here is, let us take one line segment XY. XY is of length A units, or it is the side length of the required square. Now let us take the midpoint P of this XY, and keeping P as the center, we are going to draw one circle which is passing through the points XY. That means its radius is XP, P is the center, and that circle is touching the points X and Y. Now again keeping X and Y as the centers, we are going to draw 2 more circles whose radii are XY. Okay, so keep X as the center and then XY is the radius, draw one circle. Similarly at the point Y, keeping Y as the center, XY as the radius, draw one circle. So these 2 circles are congruent, they have equal radius. So they will be cutting each other at 2 points. If you join these 2 points, it is the common chord for these 2 circles, and that common chord will be cutting the inner circle at 2 more points M and N. Once you got these points M and N, your 90% of the work is done. Now what you have to do next is, taking these 4 points X, Y, M and N, and with radius equal to XP, you have to draw 4 circles. So keeping X as the center and XP as the radius, you draw one circle. Similarly keeping N as the center and XP as the radius, draw one more circle. So draw 4 congruent circles, that means 4 circles of equal radius, okay, from 4 points X, Y, M and N. Now these 4 circles, they will be cutting each other at different points. Suppose if you take these 2 points, they are cutting each other at a point A. Similarly these 2 circles, they are cutting each other at a point B. So like this you get 4 points A, B, C, D, and if you join all these 4 points A, B, C, D, that is nothing but the required square ABCD. Its side length is A units, which is equal to XY. That means XY is equal to AD equal to BC equal to AB equal to CD. all these line segments lengths are equal. So ABCD is the required length. And this method, this nice method is given in Shulba Sutra, particularly in Bodhayana Shulba Sutra. I think this method also should be introduced in our high school textbooks whenever construction of a square is discussed.